It's Pet of the Week time. Hi.
Cosby has passed
Cosby.
he's been with us now for 2 years. So that's what we want to talk about.
Well, it's Pet of the Week time. Nikki's with me, and Cosby has returned.
Yeah.
Okay, we had a little bump going there. You might want to repeat what you just told me.
Well, Cosby's been with us for 2 years, and we can't figure out why. He's a little wound up right now because he sees mom and dad.
Right.
But he has passed his Canine Good Citizen certification.
So he's a good dog.
He is a certified good dog. And that's a 10-step process that they have to go through. Not everybody passes. And Cosby is one of the guys that passed. And we're just so proud of him. And it's one of those crazy things. We can't figure out why no one is interested in him because...
He's a beautiful looking dog.
Yeah, he's a good looking boy.
He's a gentle eater.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
And
now he's been completely trained and completely obedient.
Right. So
he's a good boy.
hi. And
Cosby, can I make friends too?
And he's good with cats
Cosby.
and other dogs. And he's and like I say, he's been with us for 2 years,
Right.
and you just can't figure out.
Right.
People see him and say, "Oh, that's
boy.
an unusual looking dog. Oh, he looks nice," and then they
He
walk
does
right
look
on
nice.
by.
Huh. I don't get it.
I don't get it either.
Well, maybe we just need to have a few more people come in that haven't been in to see Cosby and visit. Maybe one of you will take Cosby home because he certainly is a beautiful dog. And he's happy.
Yeah, and yes, he is a
And
pug
he's
boxer
gentle.
mix of all the crazy things.
Okay, how old do you think he is?
He's about 5, and we have had him for 2 years, so we've had him for a long time.
Yeah.
So we know what this dog is all about, and we know what he needs and likes. You're not taking a risk by getting a dog from somewhere else. We know everything there is to know about this guy.
Right. And everything that you know is good.
It's all good.
Yeah. Well, folks, make Cosby's life different. Give him a loving home if you possibly can, because he certainly wants to give some love, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's a good boy, and he's been proven to be so.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
certified. A
Yes.
certified good boy.
Yeah.
Unlike some of us.
Come on,
Okay,
everybody.
well, that's Pet of the Week. Nikki, anything special going on the weekend? you need to know about?
Our regular adoption events, cats are going to be at the PetSmart on Airport Highway tonight, Saturday and Sunday, and then dogs are going to be at the PetSmart on Route 20 in Rossford on Saturday.
Okay, well, come in, give Cosby a hug, and hopefully take him home with you. Nikki, thanks so much. Cosby, we hope you find a home soon. We'll be back.
Thank you.